What is up, everybody? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me at Hustler Taught Me on Instagram and educated__hustler. And today we're going to be talking about Mercari. Okay, so if you guys don't know, we do have our website up, hustlertaughtme.com. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Hustlertaughtme.com. And you are able to enroll in Mercari automation. So for resellers, and then you go all the way down to Mercari automation. This is where we list, ship, and provide products for you. So I'm going to break down to you guys exactly what Mercari automation is. But first, I want to talk about a simple little tip and trick, and also something that you guys can utilize to continue to make money and also make sure that you're building your account up for success. And guys, when it comes to being able to have Mercari as a firm income stream, you have to remember that Mercari is a process, right? It takes time. You're not just going to up and make Mercari your main income source, right? So we have different ways for us to be able to help you, okay? And I just want to show you guys the slide real quick. And what really we try to promote with the Mercari automation, it starts at $250. What this gets you is it gets you us listing products for you. And I'm gonna break down the budgets. I've went over this slide before with you guys in a previous video, but as a refresher, being able to hire somebody to actually list products for you, ship the products for you, and also provide the products for you is an essential for people that are typically working, people that don't have the time to get their account up and running, people that want to delegate, because delegation is key when it comes to you having your hand in many pots. Okay, so first we want to create a business. So you want to create your EIN, and you can create your EIN easy. I had a guy, it's really funny, right? So you can go to irs.gov. That's how you first can find it, or you can go to google.com, and then you can go to create EIN. Okay, and all of these up here again are sponsored, and they're going to try to make you pay. Go right here. Oh, excuse me, I hit the wrong one. Go right here, apply for employee identification number, and this is where you can get your EIN. You want to get your EIN because we want to be able to utilize write-offs. We want to be able to use this as an entity, and you want to be able to actually take this 100% serious. So we want to turn this into a business. This is not a joke. I don't look at this as trying to start this and make it something that is a hobby. We want to build this the right way. Next, we're talking about time is money, of course. So the reason why I created Mercari automation is because I understood as a employee in my high school days that having a job is hard. Okay, it's not easy. It requires dedication, it requires time, and of course you don't want to get fired, right? Trying to like just be on your phone, making sure that you are up to date with your sales and also revising products. So you have to understand that you have to value time over money, which means that when you're at work and you're getting paid $35 or $20 or $17 or $7 an hour, you're letting somebody dictate your value. If I was to ask you right now, how valuable do you think your time is? Would you tell me $7 an hour? Would you tell me $15 an hour? Would you tell me $20 an hour? If you ask me how valuable my time is, I would tell you it depends on the service I'm providing, right? And also, it wouldn't be nowhere near those numbers, okay? So you have to understand that the real purpose of having a Mercari and building your Mercari with us is that we want to build the value, okay? We want to build value because building income streams allows you to be able to become more flexible and be able to essentially use your time more freely and make more money. Okay, and you want to also be able to focus on other streams of income. So while we're working on your Mercari, you're checking in also, but you're also working on eBay. You're working on other aspects too, so that you can continue to maximize your profits, right? So having somebody to list, revise, and ship products for you, this allows you to have time to work on other money opportunities. Okay, so what is the startup cost? You may be asking, right? Because you assume this is expensive. Now, a lot of people's startup costs for this type of service is $1,000 and up. My main thing was, how can I make this to the point to where it is valuable for the customer, because I want you to be able to make money, but also it's something that's lucrative for my staff, my team, right? So what we do is we allow people to literally work with people and members of my team that have excelled at Mercari listing, shipping, and sales, and they have your account. They have multiple accounts, which allow them to make money and also allow you to make money. So 250, 300, and 400 are the budgets that we're going to be talking about. $250, that is going to get you a personal assistant to list products for you. The products are provided. There's no extra charge for these products. I said, what the heck? For these products. We list, we revise, and ship for you, and you can cancel anytime. Next, the next budget is the $300 budget. Now, you get your personal assistant to list products for you. Products are provided, no extra charge. We list, revise, and ship for you. And you also get 30 minutes, 2 live 30-minute coaching sessions with me. And we schedule this with our introductory meeting. When you sign up with Mercari Automation, me and you will be in a meeting together to discuss the plans for your Mercari. And then, of course, the $400 budget, which is to get the personal assistant. You get everything you get in the $250 to $300 tier, but also you get 4 live 30-minute Mercari sessions. Remember, Mercari Automation is in a 7-day period, which means it's 1 week, and you can choose to extend it, but you don't have to. And one of the beautiful things is if you were to extend it, it wouldn't be another $250. Sometimes it's only another $100. It's another $50, depending on how many products you want to be listed. All right. So yeah, we have those results, but I want to also show you just right now what you can actually anticipate with these budgets. So if you invest $250 into Mercari Automation, we're listing $350 worth of products. The products are listed within a 7-day period. Products are shipped for you. You get your personal assistant. You make 100% profit. We don't take any other profit. And the product types are headphones, chargers, bundles, adapters, cases, screen protectors, and gadgets. And of course, we're revising your products daily. For the $300 budget, you're getting $450 worth of products listed on your Mercari. The products are listed within a 7-day period. Products are shipped for you, of course. You make 100% profit. And the product types are headphones, chargers, bundles, adapters, cases, screen protectors, gadgets, but speakers and drones added. All right. And next is the $400 budget, which is the $550 worth of products listed on your Mercari. And of course, you get everything that you get in the other budgets, but instead of listing just speakers and drones, we add phones, tablets, and smartwatches too. All right, so this is really a benefit to somebody that wants to take this serious and wants to grow and start to help excel their Mercari. Now, the reason I went over that is because I had a question from one of the people in the Discord that I wanted to actually touch on. So he says, any suggestions for Mercari accounts, saying it's limited? They're asking for invoices and receipts for my accounts. Okay. Now, this is obviously somebody that has had his account taken from him. And what I want to talk about in reference to that is why, one, would you get your Mercari taken from you? And then two, how to prevent it. And three, when you get to that point of them asking for these invoices, what do you do? Right? So number one, how can you get it banned and get to this point? 9 times out of 10, you're listing the wrong way. You're listing these AirPod replicas to the point to where Mercari knows that they're not, genuine, and you're probably listing them as genuine when they're obviously not, and that's kicking back on you. And now at this point, you're catching yourself in a pickle, right? So what you got to do is, when you're listing AirPod replicas, I recommend to let them know they're replicas. Okay, let's stop trying to do the bad business, and let's just inspect what we expect, right? If we want to keep our accounts, we have to make sure we're being honest at this point. We can't just keep trying to post, right? So typical product research You also type in AirPod, AirPod Pro Gen 2, right? If I put that in there, obviously, guys, we hit the sold, and we can start to see what has sold. But I can actually take it from sort by best match to newest first. Now I can see what has sold first, and I see on my Mercari that they're going anywhere from for $60, $53. And this is sort of kind of where I would stay right now just to start. Now, yes, you can boost the price up eventually, but I probably would start at $60. I probably would. And then you see a lot of them for $205. So, guys, if you are wondering where to get the AirPods, of course, you can go to Wholesale Reps. We have the reps, so 4 of them for $152. You can get 8 for $280. You can get 12 for $360. It's right here at Wholesale Rep. Okay, so that is at hustlertaughtme.com. Now, the next one is, okay, how can I get this situated, right? Like, Brandon, what do I do? Like this individual said, like, what should I do? Because it's telling me it's limited, and at this point your account is taken. So what I would say, right, is you need to understand first that they're asking for these invoices and receipts because they don't believe the product that you're selling is true. So now what you have to do is you have to create an invoice. Okay, and there's multiple ways you can do this. So one way I recommend is going to PayPal, right? You can go to PayPal and you can create an invoice for PayPal. Once you create the PayPal, I don't want to put all my personal PayPal information up there, but you go to PayPal, you can create an invoice with PayPal, and you can act as if you are the seller by just creating an invoice. Another way you can do it is what I think the best way I can help. Go to Discord, go into the Mercari section, and ask me how to get an email invoice created, and I can help you. So Mercari chat, it's gonna cost. So I usually, with my friends, they ask me to make invoices all the time. Because I have the ability, obviously, to make invoices. I have QuickBooks. I have a few different databases I use for my store. So I can easily just create you invoices, right? So if you need an invoice, I usually charge my friends like $10. So it is what it is. Just let me know if you need an invoice. We can get that set up. Because, again, the invoice aspect can be created because they want basically just a receipt of the products that you are selling, basically. Okay, so hit me up in the Discord and I'll hook you up with that. All right, so I hope that answers the question when it comes to, like, what should I do when you're asking for receipts and invoices and stuff. You have to create an invoice. Like, there's no way around it, right? When they email you and they say, hey, can you show me your provider? And you got to make sure that you do it right. Look up a wholesale provider or distributor around you, or you have permission to use hustlertaughtme.com. Just hit me up and I can create you an invoice and make it to where if you did buy AirPods from me, you obviously have a receipt, so you can use that invoice. We send people invoices when you buy the AirPods, obviously. That if you're buying AirPods from somebody, you should be getting a receipt and you can use that. But if you don't have it, listen, just hit me up, hit your guy up, hit me up, and I can make sure that we get that rectified for you. All right. So I hope that answers the question. Okay. I'm not going to go too much in depth on like listing right now. I will be back listing for you guys on a regular basis as well. As you guys see, this Mercari right here is booming. This is somebody's real Mercari, so I don't want to go into all of their personal information and everything, but just know, you know what I mean? We build Mercaris and we make Mercaris thrive, and it takes time, right? It takes time. Usually our automation students, they're with us for about 5 months, and we're grinding on their Mercari trying to build it up. And we're looking at keep enrolling, keep getting people at the point to where they're making good money so that they can maximize their income stream. So guys, if you need anything, don't hesitate to join the Discord. The link is below. If you guys want to join Mercari Automation, obviously go to hustlertaughtme.com, go to resellers, go to Mercari Automation. And of course, you already know, hit the 250 mark, 300 or 400 and the 500. That's like iPhones and stuff like that. But also, guys, if you want the reps, go to hustlertaughtme.com, go to Wholesale Reps, of course. We sell 4. So this means 4 individual AirPods for $152. Okay, $152. All right. Also, guys, we do have eBay automation as well. So we do the same exact thing we do with Mercari on eBay too. All right. And of course, we have the wholesale product box. I'm plugging myself in like crazy. But guys, one thing I do want to say too is make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Okay. So if you guys don't know, this is my personal Instagram right here. Okay. That's my personal Instagram. Pull up on your boy. Say what's up to me, man. And also, I have my business Instagram right here too. At Hustler Taught Me. Okay. So this is going to be my business Instagram right here. Hit me up as well, man. I can't wait to connect with you guys and continue to make money work for us. Let's get it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.